One thing they don't tell you about schooling abroad, the mental stress. But if you are an international student coming to France, please need to make sure you get them done. And I'm now getting to know what's happening here. I'm back home. Hi guys, so I just closed from class. Actually, I didn't wait for the class to finish because I got tired and I just have to go home. So I'm on my way to the house, but I'm passing by the mall to get something. I need rice, so I'm going to the mall to get it and then I go home. The mall is just close to my house, so I just buy it and then get home. Yeah, let's go. Go, 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 go. See my skin, guys. My skin is skinning. What's happening here? Because it seems a lot of people are here. What is happening? I don't know what is happening here that there's so much crowd, but whichever way, let's go and buy our rice and go home. Oh, yes. Let's go. Carrefour, Carrefour, Carrefour. Guys, we are at Carrefour. Let's go and get the rice and go. Yeah. Guys, I'm inside Carrefour. I'm just getting rice, so I just don't need a basket. So I'm just going just straight to the side and grab it and go home. Yeah. I think the rice. No. Either this. Basmati. Guys, this and this. Which one should I choose? Let me pick this, I guess. Yeah.
Vous voulez le ticket?
Non.
1,79 €.
Ok. Ça va?
9 centimes.
Ok. C'est bon?
Ouais.
Ouais, d'accord.
Je prends ça dessus.
Merci, au revoir, bonne journée. Ah, merci. 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 Guys, so I'm back home. Yeah, I feel so tired. I'm just going to change over and then I have some dishes to do. I'll do that and then just find something to eat and rest. So talk to you guys later. I'm so tired. Talk to you guys later, okay? One thing they don't tell you about schooling abroad, the mental stress is crazy. I've been mentally stressed ever since we resumed classes. Like, it's been crazy. But we are in for it, so yeah, we just have to manage and all that. So yeah, it's good. It's good actually, but everything has its own bad side and all that. But it's okay. We are here. Yeah. Guys, my lunch break is over. I just have to get back to work. Guys, a friend gave me this. It's so cute. Oh my god. Can you see the Eiffel Tower inside? Yeah. And then Paris written right inside. I don't know if you can see this. Let me just drop it here. Guys, so let me chip this in, just a random gist. If you are coming to France as a student, I'm a student, so let me use my situation to as an example. So immediately you get here as a student, make sure you declare your taxes. One of the very big mistake I made, I didn't know, I did not even know about it. It was just recently I needed my tin number for something, and it's a whole lot of process I need to go through. So I came 2023 and we are in 2026. 2026. And I'm now getting to know about this whole tax declaration stuff. So last week I went to their office, import office, and they gave me the forms to fill. So this is 2024 tax declaration. The 2025 is not yet in, so I'm going to declare for this one. So if you are an international student coming to France, please, immediately you get here, there are 3 things that you need to make sure you get them done. Your carte vita, and then tax declaration, and also I think your Ameli. Yes, Ameli is the carte vita, that is health insurance and all that. And then you just have to make sure you don't skip this one. This particular one is very important, so make sure you do it. Yeah. Alright, I'm just done with my online classes. Few assignment done. I'm just going to rest. So talk to you guys later, okay? Hi guys. So I just woke up. I've really had a good rest. I needed it. I was so exhausted, but I'm really good now. I have rice on fire. I'm making my dinner. I'm going to eat and maybe sit, watch some movies, and then that'll be the end of my day.
Everything that is mine is yours. Thank you very much. You're welcome.